Susie Bullock from HeyGrillHey.com, and today I'm giving you the tips and the tricks that you will need to make the ultimate Thanksgiving turkey. We are gonna spatchcock, we are gonna grill, we are gonna make the crispiest turkey skin that you have ever had. So good. Let's do it. It's time to start prepping our spatchcock turkey. It sounds complicated, it's super simple. I taught Shaq how to spatchcock a turkey. If he can do it, you guys can figure it out, because I don't think he's actually been in a kitchen in like 15 years. So it's very simple. Our turkey right here is between 10 to 12 pounds, which I feel like is the perfect size for a spatchcock turkey. So you just gotta pull out the legs. I'm actually gonna slip on my other pair of gloves. Take the little plastic truss out of the legs. You can use shears if you need to, but you should just be able to finagle them out. You're gonna remove the neck. Set those aside. You can save them for stock to make your gravy with. Then pull out the bag of giblets from the neck cavity. Again, you can discard these or set them aside and save them for awesome giblet gravy. Now we gotta turn our attention to the turkey. All you really need to spatchcock a turkey is a wide work surface and some really great kitchen shears. Flip your turkey onto its back. Take your shears and you're going to work up one side of the backbone of your turkey. All right, just cut all the way up through the neck. And then you're gonna repeat again, using your shears to go up the other side of the backbone. Just gotta cut through the clavicle real quick. Hang on, everybody. Just like that, you broke your backbone free of your turkey. You can set that aside, save it for later, use it to make stock. It's absolutely delicious. From there, we simply flip our turkey over. If you want to give yourself a little bit of a hand to make this next step easier, take your kitchen shears and just snip right here in between the breastbone. This will make flattening your bird much more simple. Okay, flip your turkey over. And using the palm of your hand while pulling out with your other hand, just press down. It's gonna sound great. Now you've got a beautiful flat bird to work with. I like to tuck my wingtips to prevent them from burning, and it also encourages great smoke access to the top of your breast right here, so you get a nice even color across the top. Set that aside. It's time to make our herb butter. We start with 8 tablespoons of softened butter. To that, we're gonna add a tablespoon of minced sage, a tablespoon of minced rosemary, and a tablespoon of thyme. I like to do these really fresh and make sure the mince on your herbs is really fine. Just add our minced herbs right to our butter. Give it a quick stir to combine. Now comes the fun part. We've got to get this beautiful herb butter underneath the skin of our turkey. That means all of the delicious fat in the butter, all of the delicious herbs that we put in there is going to be right up against that breast meat and that thigh meat, making every bite taste so good. So just start with a gloved hand. If you have some gloves, these are super nice. Use your finger to just separate the skin from the turkey, and then carefully work your hands up each side. You really don't want to tear the skin here or else that butter will leak out. So just gently work your hands up each side, separating the skin from the meat. Then you're just going to do the same thing on each thigh. We want to create little pockets to put this butter into. Grab about a tablespoon of your herbed butter and just use your hands to get it up in there. And then you can kind of press the skin from the top to smooth that butter out in between the skin and the meat. Once we've got all of the butter under the skin, it's time to do the outside of the turkey. I'm just gonna drizzle it with 1 to 2 tablespoons of olive oil and then season it evenly all over with kosher salt and black pepper. Now, I really think spatchcock turkeys are at their absolute best when they have really nice crispy skin. So I'm gonna be cooking this at a super high temperature. That's why I don't really want this turkey to be more than 10 to 12 pounds. Because of the high cooking temperature, you risk burning the outside before the insides are done. So spatchcocking it flat gives us a nice even cooking surface. It's not too thick. 10 to 12 pounds is just the right size. And I figure this is gonna take 45 minutes to an hour, 450 degrees. I'm cooking this outside on my Camp Chef pellet smoker, but you can use any type of grill or smoker that will give you indirect heat. You can even do this in the oven on the baking sheet. Let's get it out there. Pretty turkey is done. This beautiful spatchcocked bird is golden brown. This is going to have the crispiest skin. If you are a crispy skin person, you have got to get into the spatchcock bird. This is so golden brown. This skin is so crispity, crunchy. If you are a skin person, the high temperature spatchcock turkey is the way to go. I'm gonna show you how to carve it so you can eat, because turkeys like this should not wait to be eaten. All right, when I'm carving my spatchcock turkey, I always start for the legs. Start with the legs, for the legs. The beautiful thing about a spatchcock bird is because the backbone is already gone, it makes carving like the easiest thing ever. So you've got your legs, you've got your thighs. Oh my goodness, this is a juicy turkey. Now we gotta get into the breasts. Oh, seriously, that skin. Well, that's so good. I'm just gonna snack on that for a minute while I carve this turkey breast. You can just remove the entire turkey breast and take out the wings. Oh, this turkey, it's so juicy. My goodness. Crispy wings, crispy legs. Get the other half of this breast off of here. Now, save your breastbone if you want to make some super yummy stock for turkey soup. Then we just slice the breasts that way. Everybody gets a piece of that yummy, herby, super crispy, beautifully seasoned skin on top. And then everybody can decide if they want light breast meat or if they want dark. Legs or thighs or wings. All right, turkey's done. That means everybody in the family gets to choose their favorite piece. We have breasts, we have legs, we have thighs, we have wings, and you guys all need to try it and let me know what you think, okay? What do you want a piece of? Breast? Do you want a leg, Max?
Yeah, I want a leg.
Okay, this is all yours, homie. I know you like the legs. Autumn, you like turkey breast, right? And that's a good piece for you. What do you think? Is it so good? Should we make this for Thanksgiving? So here at Hey Girl Hey, the whole goal is to help you make better barbecues so you can feed the people that you love. If you want to give this recipe a try, I definitely recommend making for a crowd. All right, if you guys want to check out more of our recipes, you can find them at heygrillhey.com. We'll catch you next time. Say bye.
Bye-bye.